April 4th, 2023. Yeah, I guess I am a little muffled in my voice, but can't blame my sinuses for that. My sinuses have a lot of yellow and one green, huh? Mm-hmm. Yeah, the perps tried. I couldn't really do much yesterday. It was pouring, like, I don't even know where it was, floods and everything all over the state. All the 5 boroughs, they all had some sort of flooding. Jersey got the worst stuff. Look, see the big puddle across the street, still, water's still there. The only thing I really got yesterday was the guy up the block, the Mustang dude. Like, well, I found out if you have a sports car like that, you have to rev the engine up every day. But even if you're not, driving it because the battery dies. So what's the fun in having a sports car if that's gonna happen, But he does it every day. He switches the time, but a lot of the times he'll do that when I come out. There's nobody out right now, right? So I'm probably gonna see a perp or two in there. And in the morning, the early morning, I don't really come out until like the afternoon. I want to go get coffee. I try to have breakfast and lunch at home. And this way I go get coffee after I clean something. So yesterday I did my laundry. I didn't go out yesterday. But I got, like, my energy was stolen basically from me. It hit hard yesterday. It was the Jezebel spirit. That's one of her tactics. And someone's doing witchcraft on you through Jezebel. That's who jumps in, these women and men. You start getting drained of your energy. And I was gonna take a nap yesterday in my own bed. And then I heard like the pinging of the electricity in the boiler room, so I couldn't really sleep. So like, okay. And then, but I wanted to fall asleep a little bit on the couch upstairs. I'm surprised I didn't get yelled at. I'm very surprised. So we'll see, I guess, how that goes. Oh, she's prevalent in my house. Siblings, parents, she's been around. She jumps into everybody. She can't jump into me anymore because I literally casted her out. I was watching Bob Larson cast out the same demon out of another woman. And in my head, I heard Jezebel screaming, "No!" I'm like, okay, then get out. And she did. She got out, and I had a migraine after that. And that's what he said. He said, when I cast out these demons through these people, they're going to be cast out at you, and you're going to get some sort of symptoms. And one of them was migraine. And they also, when they get cast out at you, you become, you get nauseous, and you get diarrhea and everything. So just being near your toilet when you're getting demons cast out of you, it's actually a good thing. You don't want these demons in you. Like I said, my next door neighbor screamed at me last week. I tried to get out of her damn way. It was raining. So I had my umbrella. And I walked into somebody's driveway for a minute to let her pass. Because every car was sticking out in the driveway. Every single car. Look how many people coming down the block now. As soon as I sat here. There wasn't this many people. I saw the camera. There was not this many people coming down the block in the cars or whatever. So I don't want to do this while I'm here because I don't want you to focus and tell you what's going on. So when she screamed at me, I don't know what the fuck she said, but that was definitely a Jezebel spirit. That's what they do. Witches will get very angry with you if their witchcraft doesn't work. Like, what? They're so dumb. They just let these spirits enter them and then, they do stuff to us. But that's when I yell at her. When she did that stuff in my backyard, she tells her husband to do it too. So they take turns. I didn't yell at them. Neither one of us yelled, "Flip a target bag." Target bag. See? So they're trying to distract me from talking. Oh well. I literally just saw Booty Bandit 1 second ago. I don't know if I got him on camera, but I just saw him coming out of the house. So they go through the side door. Yep, one day I told them to put it in. Like the boxes and stuff like going over in. With that right on you see it. But the brother looks at me funny too. He always comes around when I go to Dunkin'. He scoots by on a scooter. Even if it's not a weekday where he's picking up his kids. He's always wearing camo and orange and highlighter yellow. You know, all the colors, lime green. But he smirks at me too. And they taught Booty Man how to drive. How's it doing? How close is it? Let's see. Somebody's in. The car's coming. Yeah, so I figured when Witchy Poo was screaming at me like that, it was the Jezebel spirit. Cause you know, she's the accuser. So, like I keep telling everybody out there that's watching, I said, you know, these gang stalker perps, they have the Jezebel spirit in them. The handlers have the Jezebel spirit. They do the rituals so they gain access to her because she is called the accuser. And they're accusing us TIs of doing something evil, even though we're not doing anything. Yeah, I don't know what has been said about me over the years through various people, but if you're gonna be that gullible and believe just a strange person coming up to you and saying, see that girl or that guy over there, yeah, they're bad people, they did this and this and this, and you automatically believe it, that means you have the Jezebel spirit on you too. Beep. Dude, here comes the dude. So. I don't know what you got paid for. He's homeless. His clothes are all raggedy and holy. And he smells a little. You saw him? You saw what he did? He took his cash out to count it. And then you heard the honk? Yep. They pay homeless people to walk around neighborhoods. I didn't see what that was, but it looks like it was 20, so they probably paid me like either $60 in cash or $80 in cash. I hope I got that on footage. I'm gonna watch it back later, but you know, these witches and warlocks, they listen to the devil, and the devil tells them, your neighbor is doing this, and even if I was, what is it their business? You know what I mean? Like, really. You're not getting street justice, or you're not a vigilante. Calm the fuck down. First of all, the cops shouldn't be on my tail either. I have never committed a crime in my entire life. So, you know, these demons are not really on my mind. I'm just telling you what I'm experienced in, because I'm trying to live a holier life than I've ever lived, because the spirit of rejection is where Jezebel comes in. I got rejected plenty of times, so I'm like used to it now, but honestly I shouldn't have to be used to it, you know what I mean? If you're the type of person that's going to reject somebody, then you need to go somewhere. I don't want to deal with you. But that's why these perps don't like me so much, because I don't believe their bullshit stories they told me over the years. You know, when they actually would come in, like Brutus Murphy used to come in to Dunkin', we had calls by myself, because all the other perps came around, didn't work. And he told me his like whole life story. First of all, you don't know me. Why are you telling me your whole life story? Because they're trying to get stuff out of you. They want you to tell your whole life story, and they can use it against you in a spell. You know, ex-witches and warlocks, they all testify the same thing. This is how they work. So. What the hell is that? You hear the sirens? Oh, there they go. They try to stop me from talking. Good. I mean, it's working. There's a traffic cop yesterday, Duncan. I didn't film because he was loud though. He was talking loud. Stop looking at my garage. Get the fuck out. Pay attention to the road. The garage door's open just a minute. It's alright. I'm gonna make this video and I'm gonna shut it. Can't do two things at once. Not with this phone. Maybe the new phone. So the demons are coming after me hard because I'm getting shit done. I cleaned something before I leave the house. I didn't get up too early today. I was very tired yesterday. They did dream me a lot yesterday. Even last night's dream, I already knew right away what it was. So for some reason, the demons still think I still live on like the second floor. Or, you know, where? And I don't. I live down here. So how do they not know? Even the perps know I live down here. They follow me every time I leave the house. And they showed my old bathroom that has been fixed up for like 10 years already. 10 years it's been fixed up. They showed that. And they use...
Are you still there? I'm gonna move my car. While you opened it.
I'll shut it. I'm gonna shut it, yeah.
I'll see you a little bit later, okay?
Okay, yeah.
I'm gonna move my car.
Alright.
But anyway, yeah.
So... you hear the sirens again? They really don't like it. They don't like when you talk. I think I'll leave my phone on before I go to Dunkin', you know, while I'm walking up there. Just because I hear them so much. I just saw the old Mason Smurf guy just now. Like I'm looking over the cars and I see him. Well, he knows my ex-coworkers. They go there almost all day, every day. I'm surprised they go out today because it's pretty cold out. I was like, I'm not going out. Yesterday it was pouring. I couldn't even walk. The water was high. Like if I don't have to trek out there, then I'm not gonna. And that's another reason why perps hate me so much, because I don't have to do anything that I don't want to do. They don't have that freedom. That's what they get for working for the devil. If God gives you free will, the devil does not. He puts you on a string. You ever see those little? It's not a dog leash. It's a child leash. That's what Satan does to you, to your soul. He puts your soul on the leash, and he pulls you right back. He keeps putting temptation in your face. All that. He's done that to me. He's been doing that to me a lot lately. But last night was really up there. So they put me in my old house, my old apartment, the old bathroom, the old like dingy looking bathroom before we changed it. Oh, the bathroom was so nice when they changed it. I had to move down here. We needed tenants. You know, renty. I don't get any of that money, so that's why I'm saying perps think, you know, I'm making a lot of money. I'm not. I have the python spirit near me. He got casted out a while ago. It's a boa constrictor. That's what it looks like, because it constricts your breathing, so you get anxiety and depression and all that. Makes you never get married or have kids if you want. Gets you fired from your job. Makes you not get a job. What else does it do? Sends horrible people your way. Just so you don't follow God. And now that I'm following God, now they hit me up. You remember us? We're gonna kill you. You know what I mean? That's why I ended up in the hospital. It was all those doctors, like 3 different doctors said no. Not one of them said yes to draining my cyst. They saw how big it was. And I wound up in the hospital. And then I got gangster up in the hospital. All the psych ward patients. I wasn't on the psych ward area. So I don't understand how that happened. But they gave them medicine to shut them up during the day. And they wore off just in time when I was about to doze off. They did it on purpose. And then the staff too was loud. I was like, Can you shut the door and the light? I don't want to hear anybody screaming anymore. So you gotta stay stuff when you're in there. You know, I'm not supposed to scream at everybody either. That's what I'm saying. Try not to scream at these perps. Try to be a better person. Try to pray for them. Because they really don't know what they're doing. And you hear this loud noise too as I'm telling you about my dream. So anyways, I had a dream. They used my mother too. They used her face. She's been dead for a couple of years. I have lost count because, you know, I know we're going to see each other on the other side. So hopefully we're in the same area when I get there. I'm going to rev up the engine of a bike now. As I'm telling you this, because this is truth. If it wasn't true, they wouldn't be silencing me right now. The whole time I'm sitting here, that guy didn't rev the engine until now, as I'm telling you this dream. Anyways, I'm in the old bathroom, and I'm going through the drawers, and I see all this jewelry and jewels, so I'm scooping everything up, and I'm packing it in a Ziploc bag, right? And like, first of all, I never kept that kind of stuff in those drawers. I kept like extra soap and hand towels and toothbrushes, toothpaste, you know, it was a storage drawer. So I kept that stuff in there. Under the sink, you keep toilet paper and cleansing products. That's what we kept under there. Nothing special. And as I'm going through the drawers, I'm like, what is this? This is not real. You know, I already knew it wasn't real because they showed me the old bathroom. And then I was throwing stuff in the toilet that didn't belong in the drawer. I didn't even get to flush the toilet. As I'm putting the jewels in the bag, and somebody else was helping me too. Somebody was at the other side of me, at the right side of me, and then we're helping. Do you hear the beeping? Do you hear the fucking beeping? And incessant honking because I'm telling you the story. Anyways, they really are something else. So now I'm really gonna keep the camera on them. You know, they're backing up. They really are trying. Beep. Anyways, I'm gonna go get coffee in a few minutes, but I'm gonna keep the camera on now because they're just making too much fucking noise right now. And I hear screaming, a woman screaming like a banshee, like so loud, right? Like somebody was in the next room in this dream. So I'm like, what the fuck was that? I go to look in the room, and it looks like a cardboard cutout version of my mother was standing there, but her lips weren't moving. And I still heard the screaming, and this bitch, Jezebel, she goes, "That's mine!" Saying that those were her jewels. I was like, I'm pretty sure those are mine in the spirit realm that God is holding for me, that she stole, that I'm getting back. So that's why she was angry. And I know she can't do much, so she's going to jump into these motherfuckers. And they're gonna come after me in some kind of way, because I'm the bad guy. I'm glad I'm the bad guy. You understand? I'm glad to be the bad guy to these people. I don't know these people. They don't know me. So for them to act out like this, like they think I belong to them, these crazy men. That's the Jezebel spirit. Everybody belongs to her. She's got to control everybody so they don't leave. See what this guy came out to spit. So last night, when the rain died down, I came down to go in the house. Nice black car with red stripes. There was nobody out, right? And then I hear loud talking. Across the street, Patrolman Smurf was walking around with his buddy. I never saw this guy before, but I recognized Patrolman Smurf's voice. You've heard him scream in my videos. So. Oh, they're still honking, huh? I just over at car. Right there. And look at I have a hissy fit next door. I think I might pre-order my coffee today. That's why I eat lunch at home too. Breakfast and lunch. Very, very good stuff's happening. And they're gonna try to stop me. Yeah, it's not recording with your car. It's called Ghetto. You have a tire on one side? One headlight? Oh, where'd you talk back? Convenient, you don't have to target back now. I don't know who's waiting for me. I'm either queen. I'm the queen of Spain, damn it.
But in the papers, then all the papers have to be submitted. All the papers, everything has to be submitted to your manager. There's a director.
August 5th?
Tomorrow.
August 5th?
April 5th.
It's tomorrow. It's tomorrow.
Well, you see, and I'm like, and you're just like, okay, so what's going to happen if we don't? I just don't function that way.